Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, like you guys saw, I'm gonna use a bunch of beauty products that I received from Swiss Beauty. So these products are absolutely new for me and I'm gonna give you a raw feedback of how these products are. So let's get started. I've already done my base makeup over here. Let's get started with the eyebrows and eyes, for which I have this gel eyeliner. This is a 2-in-1 gel eyeliner. On top you have a eyebrow filling powder with a cute mirror, and then you have a gel liner pot here. First, let's start filling the eyebrows. I'm gonna use the shadow part and fill in my eyebrows. The first thing I notice is it is very pigmented, so use very less product at a time to fill this in. Alright, and then we are gonna use the gel liner and create a nice base for our smoky eyes. The gel liner is very pigmented, so you can see the application process is very easy because the gel liner is very good. It's pigmented and very easy to blend in. Once I'm done applying it, I'm just gonna use a small blending brush and soften the edges of the smoky eyes that I've created. Now on top of this, I'm directly gonna place a shimmer. I have a green shimmer eyeshadow here from Swiss Beauty. Look at the packaging, you guys, it's so stunning. I'm just gonna swipe a little bit and pat it on the smoky eye base directly. So you can see it's so pigmented. So this is definitely win for me. This is absolutely stunning and you can use this for your party makeups. Let's do the same thing on the other side of the eye. Now I'm gonna use the same gel eyeliner as my kajal because this is waterproof. So even if you're bride, you can use the same thing. Now on the bottom, I'm just gonna apply a green shimmer and in my lower lash line area to give my eyes that beautiful green shimmery smoky effect. I love how the eyes have turned out only with 2 steps. Next up, we are gonna use a mascara. I've already used this mascara before, so I definitely love this mascara. But you can use a lash curler to get that additional volume. Now, once I'm done with that, I'm using the combo of lipstick and lip liner. So you can see how pretty the lipstick, the packaging, everything is. Lip liner is only for 49 rupees, so you should try it. I love the lip liner. Now coming on to the lipstick, it is beautiful in color. First thing, the packaging is stunning, glides on like a butter onto your lips. So this is the final look that I have created using Swiss Beauty products. If you did like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. I'll see you guys with more such videos very soon. Take care.